Hello there. I've been asked by several people who have seen my 2-minute demo on DuctQuote to try something a bit more complicated, a bit more real life than just 3 simple machines. So I've loaded this floor plan of a welding lab. And what we're going to take a look at is filling it full of welding booths and ducts. So we've already imported the drawing, scaled it. We've already put in the first piece of equipment, and so now I'm simply going to add a connection to this, and we're going to make it a 6-inch connection because that's what the drawing says, and we're going to go for, since it's welding fumes, 2,800 feet per minute on velocity, and now we'll simply create the new connection. And now we're off to the races and drawing. So I go over that connection, come up, and we'll come up 5 feet. And I'm going to speed things up by getting rid of some of the labels. It's a little trick that I use. All right, so I know that these booths are 7 feet wide, so I know the connections are all going to be 7 feet apart. And we can now start taking advantage of some of the automation that we have in DuctQuote. Before you know it, we're going to have a room full of welding booths. Okay. All right. And we'll just bring this out to that elbow. And that's going to go up through the roof according to the drawing. So we'll go up 10 feet there. And now I notice we've got 2 more booths to stick over there in the corner. So let's take care of that. And we'll scoot around to the side so I can see a little better how to position those. And there we go. Use that snap line to bring them in place. And now back to draw. We'll go ahead and connect these into the trunk. And come back. Pick that up again using that snap line. All right. So it looks like we spent about a minute talking about things and another 2.5 actually drawing that side of the room. So let's really quick draw the other side of the room. Because as you can and again, I'm going to position this so that I can see things to snug this back into the corner like we need. There we go. And now I'll simply draw this piece here out to the elbow. And again, 10 feet up through the roof. And now we have to do, since everything is drawn, is we calculate. Now we've got connections, so we'll use the manual, set that off. And there we go. 2 systems, each 5,000 and a 4,000 CFM, pretty nice static pressure. They've been sized, so let's do our takeoff. So we're right at 4 minutes right now, and we've got just about $10,000 worth of materials, list price. So let's jump right in and generate a nice proposal. We can take the weights off, add our 3D image, and that's a pretty good shot right there. Again, remove some of this information, add to the proposal, process. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, we now have in just under 4.5 minutes a proposal with a 3D image. It's priced, ready to send off to our client. Now, let's take one more quick little jaunt and say that they have ordered the materials. So what we would now send them is going to be the order of install. And that's the step-by-step, section-by-section, part-by-part installation instructions. And right there, in just about 5 minutes, we have generated a quote, a proposal that is worth approximately $10,000. Not bad at just about $2,000 per minute worth of work. So, do you guys have DuctQuote? If not, give us a call. www.ductquote.com.